Today we're diving into Godot, a free game engine that's making waves in the indie game development community. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's explore what makes it stand out and where it might fall short. Godot is an open source game engine that allows developers to create both 2D and 3D games. One of its core functionalities is a scene system that lets you build your game with modular components, which is pretty intuitive. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners while still offering depth for more experienced developers. It supports multiple programming languages, including GDScript, C, and VisualScript, which gives users flexibility depending on their coding background. What's impressive is its lightweight nature. You can run it on modest hardware, making it a great option for indie developers. However, some users might find the documentation a bit lacking in depth, especially for more complex features. The community is active, but if you're looking for extensive tutorials, you might need to do some digging. Overall, while Godot feels robust, there are areas where clarity could definitely improve for newcomers. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Godot is completely free with no strings attached. The modular scene system is a fantastic feature for organizing projects, and the engine's lightweight nature means it's accessible on various systems. Plus, the ability to use different programming languages is a huge win. On the downside, the documentation can sometimes leave users high and dry, particularly when tackling more advanced features. Also, while it handles 2D games beautifully, its 3D capabilities are still catching up to more established engines like Unity or Unreal. This could be a deal breaker for developers looking to create graphically intensive games. If you're just starting out or working on smaller projects, it's a solid choice, but larger studios might want to consider alternatives. In conclusion, Godot is an excellent choice for indie developers and those new to game development thanks to its free nature and user-friendly design. However, if you're aiming for high-end 3D graphics or neat comprehensive documentation, you might find it lacking. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially if you're looking to create engaging 2D games.